let's give one big round of applause to all three awardees tonight. So this is where they let me have 30 seconds of the program to tell you how we're doing. So let's start with some thank yous to Bob and Hal. You guys are wonderful. Thank you as co-chairs of the event. Let's give them a round of applause. To all our sponsors, we are grateful. As much as we love the contributions of your treasurers, your time and talents and the amount of pro bono work that you do for us and on behalf of our clients is just fabulous. So thank you for that. And we have a lot of people that are part of our extended family here that are either have served on the board or are board members. And could you just raise your hands, just because I know we have a bunch of folks here. You just put your hands up. Yeah, thank you, Adam. So it's an amazing group of people, and we are stronger because of their efforts. We are stronger because of your efforts. You may or may not know this, but next year we begin our 40th year of community service. And thank you. So for me, who's getting up in age, 40 is the new 20. And you can take that to the bank right now. I hear somebody else liking that. All right. So I get asked this all the time, and I'll get the easy ones out of the way. We're doing great financially. We're serving more patients. We're serving more clients through our legal program based on the great staff, and Dan will tell you more about that in his remarks, but also because of the work that you all are doing. Our path right now is all about the future. So whatever's happened in the past, good, bad, the terrible dark days of the HIV epidemic is outlined in the other city, our financial issues or any other trouble is behind us. We've learned from it. We are stronger for it because we've opened up who we are to include great people like you to make us stronger. And now we really have to plan for a pretty bright future. And that future has a lot of uncertainty to it. And some of that uncertainty, as you well know, has to do with healthcare reform and economics and what have you. But what I can tell you now is this is an amazing organization that has withstood a lot of things over 40 years. We're going to be here for another 40. So I just wanted to share that with you. We wouldn't be anywhere without the legal services team. And it's a great body of work that we've done for many, many years now, pushing almost 3 decades. And to talk a little bit more about that in the team, I'd like to introduce our great leader in legal services, Dan Bruner.
Thank you, Don. In the 25 years that I've been first a volunteer and then on the staff at Whitman-Walker, I've seen a lot of changes at Whitman-Walker and a lot of changes in our community. But one constant has been Whitman-Walker's unwavering commitment to help persons with HIV to receive the care that they need and to live with dignity. And also an unwavering constant, I'm happy to say, is the legal community's steadfast, strong support of that mission. Since the earliest days, we've depended on lawyers and legal assistants in law firms, government agencies, corporations, nonprofit associations to help us meet the tremendous need. We couldn't do the work without your donation of time and your considerable talents. In the program tonight, we've actually listed a number of law firms that have done pro bono work for our clients or for Whitman-Walker itself in the last year. There are an awful lot of you. We're very proud of your confidence in us. And please give all of those law firms a hand. And I also want to recognize my colleagues in the legal services and public benefits departments. They do a great job, and I learn from them every day. We just finished a 3-month client satisfaction survey, and the very back of your program, we've summarized some of the feedback we got from that, which confirms what I already knew, that our lawyers and paralegals are really models of compassion and professional competence. Would all of you guys in legal services and public benefits who are here please raise your hand? And I also want to specifically recognize three people at Whitman-Walker: Lee Brubaker in Legal Services, and Robert York and Dave Mallory in our Development Department, who really worked tirelessly to ensure that this event was as great an event as it's turned out to be. Can you guys raise your hands? These are really exciting times at Whitman-Walker Legal Services. Our client population is growing and presenting us with new needs, and we plan with your help to grow to meet those needs. For one thing, we're expanding our services to the transgender community, many of whom are living with HIV and all of whom cope with really staggering amounts of misunderstanding, stigma, and discrimination every day of their lives. With the support of Hogan Lovells and the participation of a lot of folks in the trans community, we're actually launching a series of monthly legal clinics for transgender people that we're very excited about. And we're also acutely aware that our clients living with HIV are facing new challenges as they grow older. And we know that aging gay, lesbian, and transgender individuals and families are going to be facing really daunting and very distinctive problems. So we're committed to expanding our expertise in elder law to become a real resource for this population. We know we'll be able to meet these challenges and other new challenges, as well as continue our existing work, because of each and every one of you in this room. With your ongoing financial support and your ongoing pro bono help, we'll continue to keep providing critical services to our community. So thank you all once again for making our work possible, and please enjoy the rest of the evening.